Hello loves, it's spring! And yes, I am here today in this beautiful location of Montbolli in Villajoyosa. This gorgeous town, known for its historic charm, is located in the Valencian community on the Costa Blanca and in the province of Alicante. Today I'm going to be showing you two distinct apartments. Within the urbanisation itself, designed for those that are also wanting to use it for investment potential and for rental, these apartments offer 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the apartments features 82 square meters of living space and the other 100 square meters of living space. Just 700 meters away from this beautiful undisrupted coastline and the Mediterranean Sea, let's begin the tour. Hello. As I enter the front door, which is a security door on the 4th floor, this door also does give you a system in which you can enter using a code. It will unlock your door for you and allow you easy entry. But as I come in, I'm entering a light, bright entry hall. On one side of the wall, you do find that you also have your video intercom system. It leads directly into the heart of the apartment, which comprises of your daytime space being an open plan living, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, the space offers 27 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.7 meters. As you can see, it gives you lovely harmonious flow with the living space in this area. Right here, I'm stood in the kitchen, and the kitchen is on one side with your cabinetry as well as your built-ins. You have your built-in refrigerator and freezer. You also have cabinetry, top and bottom, great countertop space. You have the dishwasher, the kitchen sink, a continuation of your cabinets with your cooker, extractor and also oven on that side, and all of your appliances are Bosch. As the home does come with specifications of being fully furnished and does have new furnishings, they've even extended that to the comforts of what you might need in your kitchen. So you will find that it is installed with crockery, glassware, pots, pans, even cutlery. And so you can buy this property exactly as you see it, knowing that all you need is your toothbrush. Continuing on into what is the dining space, and this is a dining table that is set to dine 6. It then seamlessly leads to your living area. This living space has space here for a lovely large sofa, and it gives you a really lovely intimate feel. But what I love about it is that you have patio doors that open and give you integration with your outdoor terraces. So the terrace offers you 40 square meters of outdoor space on the same level. And the space actually connects beautifully, not just the living areas, but also the bedrooms too. On this wall here, you have a door that gives you functionality that's actually included within the home. You will find that there is your kitchen sink, or should I say your laundry sink, washing machine, and also plumbing for a tumble dryer should you need one. On the other side, you will find that it actually hosts your aerothermic boiler. So as you can see, the terrace, they have decided to incorporate a dining space, and this dining table is set to dine 6. What I love though is that all the while I can see an unobstructed view of the Mediterranean Sea and also the landscape that we're surrounding. You can feel the buzz of this being a beautiful residential area with movement and real families living here, but you also get a real sense of the tranquility of this location. Going back to the specifications of the actual terrace, you will find that's also been installed a really handy pergola system that gives you an automatic way of being able to blot out the sunshine if it's a bit too intense and keep this area shaded, or even not, should you prefer. It's entirely up to you. So now I'm taking you across the way to what is your outdoor living area. They have here some thoughtfully nice and very comfortable garden furniture, giving you what would be an outdoor lounge experience. Now I'm going to take you into the first bedroom. And this bedroom is light and bright with a similar interior feel. You have on one side patio doors that give you access to the same terrace, and on the other side you also have your integrated wardrobes. You will find throughout the home that you also have your spot LED lighting, and as you can see, this bedroom has also been fully furnished with a very large bed. Taking you now from the first bedroom, and over the way you will find in the hall is access to the main guest bathroom. And this is lovely and warm with the balance and the tones of the tiles. You have an illuminated mirror and again really high specifications throughout, even with your bathrooms. Taking you now to the end of the hall, and it immediately invites you into what is your second bedroom and primary suite. This bedroom is again light and bright with a similar interior feel. As you can see, it also comes furnished. You have this lovely space of your bed in the middle, but then you also have the patio doors that give you direct access to the views of the Mediterranean. For function, you also have your integrated wardrobes on one side, and then also you have a door that leads really nicely to what is again a fully equipped bathroom. This ensuite bathroom is rather spacious and also rather inviting. Coming up to the first floor, which gives it the duplex penthouse feel, you are now coming into what would be the primary suite. The primary suite is quite unique in the sense that the developer is making slight personalizations to it to make it really wow. But I really love the actual ideas that they have with this space. So as you come up the stairs, you will see that there is this space here that leads directly to a door that gives you access to the solarium. The plan is that this could actually be also a separate hallway, enabling you direct access without entering the primary. But this is a primary space offering you 16 square meters, and the ceiling height is the same as 2.7 meters. It now takes you really nicely through the patio doors into what is an incredible sized terrace. This is fantastic if you're wanting to really soak up the ambience, the climate, the weather, the views, and actually seeing the connectivity that you have with the residential area that you're within. It's really wonderful in the sense that you can actually see where things are within walking distance and know that from day to day, you really don't need to use a car. But in terms of the characteristics that this particular solarium offers, it gives you an additional 60 square meters of outdoor living space. Fantastic, as it is also part of your primary. What's really nice as well is this side is yet to actually be personalized a little bit more. So this is a space that offers an additional 20 square meters, and as you can see, it's roofed. And so the developer here is actually thinking of turning this space into an extension of the bedroom. So you would have a door here. It would come into what would be, on this side, your ensuite bathroom, but then also a space here to, let's say, have as your dressing room, or even, let's say, a little lounge nook or space where you can read and relax. What's really fantastic though is, as we are on the upper floor within this duplex, it also comes with its own private and separate entry point that actually gives you direct access from the 6th floor and also to the elevator on this floor too. Handy, isn't it? So they've there thought about a number of little options. Coming into the building, the main entry foyer is warm and inviting, and gives you a great point of reference for the residents, short term or long term, as they come to arrive. It takes you along a very light illuminated hall that enables you to have immediate access to what would be your auto check-in point. This is looked after by the management company, and it's great if you are renting your property. For those that enter, they can actually do that here. It also gives them additional information that they may need for their stay. Coming along this way, you have the corridors continue, and you have here a lovely little chill out, a second entry point into the building, and also even a stairwell that leads to the underground parking that are available for the residents here. But what I'm going to do now, whilst I'm down on this ground floor level, is show you the actual outdoor communal zones that the residents can enjoy here and all year round. So as I'm going back over this way and taking you to this bright door, it leads nicely to where they begin. So as we come through, and you'll find that there are well-maintained pathways and landscaped gardens that do surround the grounds of the urbanisation. What's lovely though is that you also have direct access to an on-site communal swimming pool. This swimming pool is giving you an opportunity to enjoy the climate. Right outside also you have your outdoor showers. There is usually also your outdoor lounging facilities. And it's great in the sense that you are right in the cusp of what is a very active and very calm, but yet well-established residential area. Taking you from this area as well, you do have an extension of your outdoor recreational spaces and relaxation zones, with even a petanque court here on site, which is also rather nice. Coming down into the parking, and it doesn't escape me how wonderfully clean all of the communal areas of the homes are. What's great as well is that the residents get to enjoy an actual parking space that's included in the price, and also a storage room. Let's say, for example, you wanted to have the apartment that we featured that offered you the 2 floors. This would be your parking space, and it does also come equipped with your vehicle charging point and also a storage room. What's great about the parking is that you also have great access directly from the street entrance. It gives you a nice, gentle, sloping ramp that comes down automatic gates and allows your vehicle to come through this way. I also really like the fact that wherever I go, I'm seeing, the cleaning staff, maintenance staff around, know that they're on hand, and also providing that facility as if people were living in a hotel. But actually it's not, they're apartments. How fantastic is that? The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €1,000 per year. The community fee is €180 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, today I have showed you 2 characteristic apartments that are within the same urbanisation, offering different things to enjoy for you or for your family. What's wonderful about these apartments is that they are actually built with a view to be for investment also. So you have the option of living in the apartment all year round, and also renting it in those months when you are not using it, getting the maximum investment and return in an area that is sought after and close to everything that one might need when on holiday. For that, it offers great specifications and also comfort that other apartments don't necessarily offer. What I do really enjoy about these properties as well is the space and the comfort that you receive when you're inside them. But not just that you do have great communal zones to enjoy. You have on-site parking as well as a storage room. You have a vehicle charger that is also included within the price, as well as access to a communal swimming pool, walkways and places to relax. What's wonderful about this particular location is you are just 700 meters away from the Mediterranean Sea and the beaches of Villajoyosa. You are also within walking distance to schools, restaurants, shops, cafes, the supermarket, pharmacies and health centres. So if you do not want to use your car, you don't have to. What's really lovely is one of the apartments, as you could see, will require a little bit of your own personal touch, whereas the other one offers pretty much ready to move into and use immediately upon arriving. So if you like this listing and you would like to know more, then please do check out the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. And also don't forget that when it comes to us looking for properties for you and showing them, we do provide a very well-rounded service to all of our clients. We don't just find you properties that are within the market right now available for sale, but we also personalise it to you and the circumstances of your family. Don't be afraid to get in touch. Don't be afraid to give us a call. And remember, it's all about if you are ready and if you are able to also visit. So, with that being said, if you like this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, my name is Nikima. No doubt I will see you next time in the sun, and I'll see you soon. Hasta pronto!